Hey everybody! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the amazing world of nutrition and wellness. Did you know that a tiny seed can be a powerhouse of health? Yes, we're talking about the incredible flaxseed. It's true. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, which are great for your health. These little seeds have been around for ages, dating back to ancient civilizations. People have been using them for all sorts of things, from food to medicine. But the best part is how they can make you feel amazing from the inside out. They can improve your digestion, boost your heart health, and even give you glowing skin. Curious to learn more? Let's dive in and discover the wonders of flax seeds. We'll explore their benefits, how to incorporate them into your diet, and some fun facts you might not know. First up, let's talk about your heart. It's the engine that keeps you going, pumping life through your veins every single day. It's kind of a big deal, right? Without it, nothing else would function. So, taking care of it should be a top priority. Flax seeds are like little superheroes for your heart. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to heart health. They have these things called omega-3 fatty acids, which are like a superfood for your ticker. Omega-3s are essential fats that your body can't make on its own. Omega-3s help keep your heart beating strong and can even lower bad cholesterol. Lowering bad cholesterol reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Plus, flax seeds can help keep your blood pressure in check. High blood pressure is a silent killer, often showing no symptoms until it's too late. And we all know how important that is. Keeping your blood pressure in a healthy range is crucial for overall well-being. So, adding flax seeds to your diet is like giving your heart a big warm hug. It's a simple step that can make a huge difference in your heart health. Now let's move on to your tummy, shall we? Ever feel a little backed up and uncomfortable? We've all been there. Flax seeds are here to save the day naturally. They're full of fiber, which is like a scrub brush for your insides, keeping things moving and grooving smoothly. Flax seeds can help you stay regular and avoid those uncomfortable tummy troubles for good. And who doesn't love a happy tummy, right? Section 4. Flax seeds for fabulous skin. But wait, there's more to discover. Flax seeds aren't just good for your insides, they're amazing for your skin too. Those same omega-3s that help your heart also do wonders for your skin's health. They can help keep your skin moisturized, reduce dryness, and even fight off wrinkles effectively. Who needs expensive creams when you have flax seeds at home? It's like a natural beauty secret revealed. Section 5. Ellen's special flaxseed tip. Now, here's a special tip from me to you. Try adding a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your morning smoothie or yogurt. Flax seeds are packed with nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, which are great for your heart and digestive health. You won't even taste it, but your body will thank you. The subtle, nutty flavor blends seamlessly, making it an easy addition to your daily routine. So, tell me, have you tried flax seeds before? They can be a game changer for your diet. Not only do they add a nutritional boost, but they also help keep you feeling full longer. What's your favorite way to eat them? Some people love sprinkling them on salads, while others mix them into their baking recipes for an extra health kick. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get healthy together. Your tips and experiences could inspire others to incorporate flax seeds into their diets too. Remember, adding a little flaxseed to your day can make a world of difference. It's a small change with big benefits, so why not give it a try? Your body will be grateful for the extra nutrients and fiber.